Good morning, children. In 10th unit, communication system. Communication, what is the meaning of communication? Without communication, we are not able to convey any message to our neighbors. Communication exists since the dawn of life in this world. Growth in science and technology removed the locational disadvantage effectively. Information can be exchanged from one person to another anywhere on this earth. Right from the developments made in communication by great scientists like J.C. Bose, Marconi, Alexander Graham Bell, communication has witnessed leaps and bounds. The communication industry is one of the largest in science and is the oldest, since communications through telegraph, telephone and radio started centuries back. Around 1565 AD, during the period of King Akbar, they are using drums beats from a distant place to convey the messages. In 1835, invention of telegraph by Samuel Morse and Wheatstone. In 1876, telephone invented by Alexander Graham Bell and Antonio. Perhaps the most widely used means of communication in the history of mankind. In 1895, J.C. Bose and Marconi demonstrated wireless communication. Around 1565, it means a great leap from an era of communication using wires to communicating without using wires. So in communication system, in this period only, we achieve a large. 1936 television broadcast. First television broadcast by BBC. 1955 first radio fax transmitted across continent. The idea of fax transmission was patented by Alexander Bain in 1843. Due to this fax transmission, we are able to send up to 10 pages. In 1968, ARPANET, the first internet, came into existence. ARPANET was a project undertaken by the US Defense Department. It allowed file transfer from one computer to another connected to the network. In 1975, fiber optics developed at Bell Laboratories. Fiber optical systems are superior and more economical compared to traditional communication system. Using this fiber optics, we can able to send a file more than 10 pages. Then last, the Lee invented the www.com. Using the www.com, we are send messages. Nowadays, we are using this website only. The intensive research in the mid and late 19th century leads to the development of long distance transmission in the shortest possible time. However, the 20th century witnessed a leap over the development of communication, meeting the demands of speed and secured transfer of data. Every sector in the world is experiencing a significant profit with the advent of global positioning system, satellite, mobile, and optical communications. This unit provides a glimpse of the basic concepts of electronic communication and its application.